Hi everyone. What does it mean to be a citizen of your country? Any number of us might have different answers about that question. If we think about it legally, there are two different concepts, and both have Latin terms we use to explain them. The first one is Jus Sanguinis, or the right of blood. This type of citizenship is used by most countries around the world, and it has to do with the citizenship of your parents. So if your parents are citizens of a country, well then you automatically have the right to be a citizen of that country as well, regardless of where you were born. The other one is Jus Soli, or the right of soil. And this one has to do with your place of birth. So if you were born on the soil of a country that has citizenship by Jus Soli, you become a citizen of the country just by virtue of being born there. And this one is used primarily in North and South America and is a legacy of colonialism. However, every country also has some level of a citizenship process by naturalization. So if people immigrate to a country, there's usually a process where they can become citizens of that country over time. In Canada, for example, it means being a permanent resident of Canada and then living in Canada for 3 out of 5 years and then passing a citizenship test in order to then become a full Canadian citizen. Okay, so those are the legal definitions of what citizenship means. But what does citizenship actually mean, right? Does it mean simply belonging to a country and having that understanding that your rights and freedoms are protected by virtue of being a citizen of that country? Or should there be a little bit more active citizenship involved in being a citizen of a country, right? And maybe that understanding that having those rights and freedoms protected has some responsibility attached to it. We can't just take for granted that we have those rights and freedoms protected. We actually have to make sure that they are, right? Major reason we vote is to make sure that our voice is being heard and respected by our government. So voting is a major responsibility of citizenship. But also contributions to our community and actively trying to make our society a better place. And how those things might happen might depend on your worldview or your own personal ideology. But whatever your answer is, spend the rest of your life crafting that response and trying to be the best citizen you can be, whatever that might mean to you. And with that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.